I was going through Oracle Cloud's infrastructure's documentation, and this diagram caught my eye, and I thought of sharing it with you. And again, the credit of this image goes to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This is not mine, but I just wanted to show you how progressively Oracle is making inroads into artificial intelligence, especially in the Gen AI arena. As we all know that training foundational models or large language models requires a massive amount of compute, storage, and a very high performance network for coordinating and sharing information across thousands of independent servers. The clusters for these AI farms are huge. NVIDIA GPUs on Oracle Cloud infrastructures are connected by a simple, high performance Ethernet network powered by NVIDIA's ConnectX Smart NICs using RDMA over Converged Ethernet version 2. The bandwidth that OCI provides exceeds both AWS and GCP significantly, which in turn reduces the time and cost of machine learning training. OCI also includes numerous capabilities of artificial intelligence, including AI infrastructure, which I am also going to discuss in the next video. Plus, OCI compute virtual machines, which are VMs, and bare metal NVIDIA GPU instances can power applications for computer vision, NLP, which is natural language processing, recommendation systems, and much more. For training LLMs at scale, OCI Supercluster provides ultra-low latency cluster networking, high-performance computing or HPC storage, and also OCI Compute bare metal instances powered by NVIDIA A100 Tensor Core GPUs and ConnectX Smart NICs, as you can see on your screen. I think this is fabulous, and Oracle is really a serious player when it comes to the next generation Oracle Cloud AI applications. So stay tuned. I will also be posting more videos in terms of Oracle Cloud and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and listening.